Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Happy Thursday. We're almost there. And what a week this has been. If we take a look at the market here, we had 4 winning days in a row. Wait a minute, that's not the market. NVIDIA, or is it? Well, I wanted to show that one to you first because these days, as NVIDIA goes, so goes SPY, and it's just following right along with it. Now, a few days ago, I said we had this hammer. It was a couple of days ago, we had this hammer, and we did indeed get the follow through the 50-day moving average, and we actually busted through and closed above the 21-day moving average, which can sometimes see 2 or 3 days follow through there as well. Will we get to an all-time high? Will we get up and make a triple top? Well, time's going to tell on that one. But what's going to be the biggest deciding factor is now that we got the rest of the inflation news out, which came in pretty much along the lines of expectations, we're looking at Wednesday, the next Fed announcement, and the most important one that we've had in a long, long time. The Fed funds contract at the CME group is factoring in a 69% chance of a 25 basis point cut and a 31% chance of a 50 basis point cut. And basically, I think if we get the 25 basis point cut, we still keep playing the same game that we've been playing all year, where we're wondering what the next cut is going to be and when it's going to be and how much it's going to be. We might even get a buy the rumor, sell the news, might even get a little bit of a sell-off if we only get a 25 basis point cut. But if we get a 50 basis point cut, that would definitely be a rallying point. But either way, we're still going to be listening to what Jerome Powell and his friends have to say following the number coming out. Now, we also have the VIX sitting here at 17.07, which is historically fairly high. The average is closer to about 15 or 16, the long-term average. If you factor in spikes, they'll say mathematically the average comes out to 20, but those are spikes, so we can't really count them if we want to get a good idea what the average is. So, moral to the story is implied volatility is a little bit high, and it's really likely to remain that way going into the Fed announcement. So we can look for some short-term volatility selling opportunities expiring before the Wednesday announcement. All right, hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli. Trade smart.